Weather Authority local forecast.
Going what we went through the last few days, beginning on Thursday, Friday, on through the weekend, the excessive heat that's lasted until just the last few hours. We're counting our blessings. Let's take a look at your RV World Yuma Skycam. And there's a blessing right there, just a view of the Yuma area amongst the rest of the desert southwest. And as far as what we're looking at in the interior west, not a whole lot compared to what it was earlier today. We were pretty active down over in southeastern Arizona, a few severe thunderstorms. But yeah, things have quieted down a great deal. The outflow really didn't get all that far with these particular boomers. And of course, we're not expecting much of anything to get to us within at least the next couple of days. Of course, those temperatures ranging right now from 103 to 111 degrees just in the Imperial Valley. Holtville still pretty high this time of night. Wow. All right. As far as what we're looking at on the Yuma side, we're looking at the range between 102 and 109 degrees. Tacna also Quartzsite a little bit earlier was 109. We just dropped just a little bit compared to that. And of course, Isaias is a Category 1 hurricane beginning to make its landfall over into the Carolinas, and then it should drastically weaken as storms typically do when they take landfall, but it's certainly going to cause some problems over there, some heavy bouts of rain in some cases, but keep in mind the rain is pretty much on the eastern side of the storm, so it isn't going to be as bad as it can be, but still it's going to wreak some havoc nonetheless. Here's what we're looking at further or closer to home. We're talking about high pressure continuing to do what it does, and it is doing it in regards to bringing in that heat, but it's not going to be bringing much moisture our way because we still have that dry line that is sort of acting as a boundary. Now, as far as what we're looking at with the winds, we're going to kind of up them just a little bit over the course of the next 3 days, in particular in the Imperial Valley. So if you live in the valley, it's definitely going to be more of an issue than as opposed to you living over on the Arizona side. So that's kind of what we're looking at there. As far as what we're looking forward to with your Metrocast, we're talking high-end 80s as we get up into the wee hours of Tuesday morning. And then we're definitely going to turn up the juice as far as the temperatures go. All right. Your Yuma International Airport extended forecast, we are definitely going to be living it up, to say the least, and then we start to live it down a little bit. So that's some good news. And, you take the silver lining with this, and you see that we're not even in the 115 range, so that's great right there.